Okay guys, I have another evaluation. Lorena, she gave me your data, so let's kind of dissect it. She's 5'1", 149 pounds, 39 years old. Not much weight loss. She's tired, muscle pain. She works out twice a week, boot camp and another workout spread out, so it sounds like it's pretty intense. She's taking one multi-mineral vitamin, and she's also taking magnesium and potassium. So I already know if she's taking potassium, it's probably 99 milligrams. And just realize that that's like a fraction of what a person really will need. They need 4,700 milligrams. So, all right. In the morning, she has a drink, apple cider vinegar lemon drink, which is really good to take in the morning. And then she'll have a bulletproof coffee. Okay. And then sugar-free gum. The first meal is at 12 o'clock. She'll have 3 eggs, 4 pieces of bacon, 1 teaspoon of butter, 1 slice of cheese, 1 cup of spinach. Okay, then at 3 o'clock, she'll have some coffee, 2 teaspoons of heavy cream. Then at 5, she'll have a kale shake, 4 cups with 4 strawberries. Now at 7, she'll do 2 zucchinis and 4 ounces of ground beef. Okay, now her ketone levels range between 0.7 and then 1.7. Okay, so 0.7 is pretty small. 1.7 is definitely better. Okay. Now her blood sugars before the first meal is 84. So that's pretty good. That's actually perfect. But right before the second meal, it's 94. It's a little bit higher. Okay. So that's all the data. So a couple things I want to mention. If she's not losing much weight, and the things that jump out, I would probably take out the fat from the bulletproof coffee. Okay. Just take MCT oil, butter, just take it out and just do regular coffee with a little cream. Okay. Other than that, she has this kale shake thing right here, right? 4 strawberries. Well, here's what we want to do. This is probably elevating the sugar a little bit. It's not a big deal, but it's raising up a little bit. I would probably, if she wanted to do this, I would move this to 7 o'clock. And then she'll basically have 2 meals, okay? That's what I would do. Better yet, if she could do this, I would take the 7 o'clock meal and push it back this way. That way we'll have a longer fasting time period and a shorter eating window. That would be even better. But we want to kind of condense this because this is going to definitely add like a little bit of a meal right there. It'd be nice to even take out the strawberries if she's struggling with weight loss. And you can just put a little more stevia in there. Some people use the electrolyte powder I have, or even the lemon wheatgrass to sweeten it. That's one idea. Now, at 3 o'clock, she needs a cup of coffee, probably because she's tired. This right here will definitely interfere with sleep. Now, you're just going to find that you're just not going to get the full rejuvenation, the full recharge effect, which can definitely affect your weight. I would probably cut this out. If you want to increase your energy, maybe take some B vitamins, because one of the things as you're adapting to a keto lifestyle and you're tired is you need more B vitamins like nutritional yeast. Very, very important. And also realize this, that keto adaptation sometimes can take months. So don't always think it's a couple days. It could take actually months before you're fully keto adapted, and you have to do this very disciplined and without cheating, okay? Because cheating will definitely throw you off big time. And then we have muscle pain, okay? So this can come from low amounts of vitamin E. So that's one thing. You want to get a natural vitamin E complex that will actually help repair this. But the B vitamins might actually help as well, because B vitamins help get rid of lactic acid and help the muscle recover as well. And omega-3 fatty acids will also help recovery. And I don't seem to see any omega-3 fatty acids, maybe in these eggs a little bit, but I would have to kind of dig in and see exactly what is in your multivitamin mineral. Okay, so now Lorena, go ahead and make these changes and tell us how you do. So we've been getting a lot of success stories, but I don't have your success story yet. So click the link down below and upload your before and after. I want to actually hear about your success story. I want to see your before and afters. And every week we do featured success stories. So click the link down below and share your success.